more file today. Style3.css. Style3.css is the file name under the import folder. Okay, HTML file is ready. Let's go ahead. One more CSS file is ready. One HTML file you have to create. Or you can write directly CSS also a small example it is. Okay, so here we can create a file called z-index.html. Z-index.html. What is that Z-index? HTML you start from Z-index. Okay, Z-index is nothing but layer. Layer meaning we understand or not? Layer. Label we understand? Label. First level, second level, third level, fourth level. Okay, suppose inside the home we have lot of plates. If we keep multiple plates together, like it is stack one after other, which plate we can see? Bottom one or upper one? Suppose multiple plates you will keep one after other, what will happen? If you look from bottom, then you can see the bottom plates. If you look from top, you can see the top plate, right? You cannot see the middle one. Okay, that is called as what? Index. Z-index. Index. First index is the first plate. Second index is the second plate. Third index is the third plate. Last index is the last plate. Now where we'll see from? We'll not see in the middle. We'll look from the top. Correct. And if you want to see from the bottom, there you have to turn the plate, then only you can see the bottom. Okay, so you can say the first plate where you will keep, that will be on the 0 index. Second plate will be on the 1 index. But it's not array. Array start from 0. So here indexing start from 1 only, not from the 0. Now what we have to do? We have to create an example. There we will understand Z-index, how that works. Facebook, if you remember, in Facebook, what will happen? Once you open the Facebook, lot of people will post the photo. If you click on any photo, pop-up window will open. Remember pop-up window? Facebook. If you click on any one photo, pop-up window will open. Technically, it's called a light box. Okay, technical word is called light box. Okay. In that, your content will appear. You can go preview next. Everything will be there only. Now suppose example, when you open the Facebook, it was a plain screen, content was coming. When you click on the photo, what happened? A pop-up window got open. Background is hide now, correct? Background is hide, and on the top of that, something will display. For example, let me open a website and show you which website it has. Okay, first inquiry maybe FIRST is not there. I think it should be the JJYAN dot in. See, this page is open. Okay, this page is open. Now I will close this pop-up window. You can see here. This is the plain screen, main screen. When I click here, pop-up window open. Now see, there is how many layer now? Two layer. One is the main screen, and this is the pop-up screen. Few days before we have created the navigation. Remember position fixed. So this division is the position as a fixed. Position as a fixed, and this the main screen Z index is maybe 1 because that is in the down, and this pop-up window what you see Z index is 2 because it is up, and position is fixed. Z index 1 and position fixed. From top 100, from left 50%, from right 50%. Right? Then what will happen? It will become fixed one. Please एक minute. बोलिए सर. हाँ हो गया. अच्छा नीचे से खोल के लगाएं. ठीक है. ठीक है. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. ठीक है हम शाम को कर देंगे. ये बताइए कितना भेजना है आपको. अच्छा 2 भेज देते हैं. चलेगा. ठीक है. और ये फोन पे का नंबर हमको व्हाट्सएप में भेज दीजिए. ठीक. आधा घंटा में भेज देंगे. Okay, next now come. So this is called as what? Z index. Z index and position as a fixed. We will create an example where position will be absolute. This is the position fixed. Position fixed and Z index is there. We are creating example there. Z index will be there, but position will not be fixed. Position will be absolute. Okay. Now how absolute position work? Here you saw the position is a fixed, and you have created already navigation. There was also position is a fixed. Next we'll create example in that position will be absolute, and after that position will be absolute, and after that this one Z index will be something 1 2 3 4. We can try and we can see. So come to the page. Follow the head section.
Excuse me, sir. Yesterday, hide show we didn't complete fully, sir. We just gave the city names under that child list we have given. Yeah, we didn't complete that also.
Okay, complete this example. Then if time will be there, I'll guide you. Else next time. Okay, go for body. After that, come inside the body. We'll write here a division. DIV. Okay, write this as block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5, or block 4 is also fine. Write ID equal to 1, ID equal to 2, ID equal to 3, ID equal to 4, ID equal to 5, ID equal to 2, ID equal to 3, ID is a 4, ID is a 5. Change the number also here. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, as well as block 5. Okay, now write the CSS for div. For div, we can write some CSS as a common CSS for all the div, because all are division only. Height should be 200, width should be 200. Then after that, border should be 2 pixel, solid blue, solid, maybe any color, pink color. After that, height, width. Next, we can add some font size as well. Suppose 30 pixel, text align center. So the content should appear in the middle. You can see all the division, it's applicable for all the division. All 4, 5, how many division we have, it will be applicable for all. We got everything. How many blocks happen? 5 block with the equal look, one after the other. One after the other. Okay. Now you add one property, position. Position absolute. You will find the last division will appear. You will find last division will appear. How many are appearing? Only one or all? Only one. It's like it's a stack now. As soon as you give the position absolute, the starting position for all the division will remain same. All will start from one place. Now, if all will start from one place, the first division ID1 will be the first element. Second division will be the second. Third will be the third. Fourth. So what is visible? Block 5 or block 1? What is showing in the block 5 in the output? Now, what is this? Block 5. Which they look like they all are overlap one after other. It look like a stack. Okay, all are on each other. Okay, so people ask what is the position absolute? And say position absolute will make all the elements to start from one place, top left corner. So it will look like a stack. Hmm? Which one is the top level? No, all are on one place only. It's like a plate, stack. Okay, position will be there. Now all will be indexed. So who is on the last now? Fifth one is the last. Because of that, you are able to see the fifth one. Okay. Now we'll write the separate CSS for all, and then see how it is happening. Write the CSS for hash one. as 1. In that you write starting of all is only 1. All are starting from one place. So for first one will give background as a pink. Top colon top colon 50 50. Top means from top side. Left colon 50. Top 50, left 50. Background already given. Remaining 3 you can, okay. Oh, we are written for the first. Hold on. This should be for the second. This should be for the second. For the 2. Should not be the for the first. We wrote for the first or second. Second. Save now. And delete the third and fourth. If all will be there, then again overlapping will happen. So we saw 1, 2, 3, 4 was there. Where was it starting? Starting was only 1. Now we wrote for 2. So delete third and fourth. See how it is coming. Any space got apply or not? From top some space got apply. See. There is some space from top. We given from top how much? 50. From left how much? 50. Without the top and left, where was it starting? Starting was only 1. Means what? Position was only 1. Z index was only 1. Let go. You can add here also Z index. See any difference is happening? Z hyphen index as a 1. This should not be 1. 1 will go for the first one. It should be as a 2. Z index as a 2. No difference, no? Z index. Come down. Z index give 1. What is happening? Because background color is not mentioned anywhere. Let's keep it at 2. Come for the third one. Division number 3. Division number 3. ID 3. Background is a orange color. From top give 100. And from left give somewhere 100. From top 100, from left 100. And Z index should go as a 3. Z hyphen index. What division is coming after some space? Not coming because it exists or not. Division 3 is not there. How it will come? 3 you have to create from 3. 3, block 3. Block 3. Three is coming. So now 3 should come there. Similar way, try fourth one and fifth one. Division number 4, division number 5. FOUR and FIB. Division number 4, division number 5. Okay, 3 is ready. Now write for fourth one. 3 we have written, fourth and fourth, fifth we have not written. How the 4 and 5th look? See, 4 and 5th is there only. Where? So getting overlap there itself. Okay, so for that fourth and fifth, we have to give the top and then copy the same, paste below. For your 4. Gray. Top 150, left also 150. Z index is 4. Fourth, and one more we have, fifth one. Okay. Oh, 3, 4, 6, 1, should be 200. Mm-hmm. 200, 2000. Okay, so hope looks similar. Working or not? Working. Now in the same file, or maybe create another file, zindex2. There, you try one page. The first section should be orange color, like this. And the second section should be green color. Possible like this. First division, height and width 400 by 400, or maybe 400 by 600. And same position absolute and all. Second division, how much? Height less 300. 300. Height is maybe 300 and width maybe also 300. 100 pixel less. The second division height and width should be lesser than first one. And here left how much? 100 and top how much? To 300. Automatically it will come down. Try it. Try it. I will also create, but user try something if you got some idea. Even will to do. Hmm. Yes, similar. Okay. Next, after that, we'll go ahead for the next example. Please. Position sticky. Next file create position sticky.html. Position sticky.html. In this file, you will create a HTML that should have head and body. Head and body. Under the head, you write as a style. Or body tag, keep height of the background, height of the body tag 2000 pixel. Height as a 2000 px. Now inside the right division, id equal to info. Id is info. Under the info, we can display phone number, email, okay. Write some CSS for this. Background, height, width, font size, text align, those things we can add. Increase the font size. For info, make font 30 pixel, text align center, padding 20 pixel. Hope you have written has info. Font size. How much? Okay. Text line. It should come in the middle. Is here. Okay. Now after that, create a UL. UL and LI. Address. Login. Register. Inquiry. So this all will come one after other. First, we'll try to bring all in one line. Now for this UL, give one ID called top nav. Now can you write some CSS for top nav? Background, padding, right? It should look like it's a menu. Hope you're writing something. Background, For top nav, write some background, write some padding, then top nav of li, write display in line block, something, so it should come in one line. It should look like in one line, navigation. It should look like the navigation should appear in one line. No, let me guide you. Anyone wrote something? Top nav. Top nav, what is given? Background. First background color what you are given. Some color. Which color you given? Blue. Okay, no problem. Blue. Then color, which color is given? White. Padding. Assume 15 px. So it will create a navigation. Background will come as a blue and white combination. Next we will write under the top nav, there will be li. Top nav, there will be li. That should be as a display in a line block. Inline hyphen block. Display inline hyphen block. And there should be padding there also. Similar 15 px. You will find it will look like it's a menu. It will come in one line. Something like this. Padding 15, ULLI. Okay, from UL, if I remove padding, how it look? It become more padding. See, it's become outside, inside, everywhere more. This is okay, I guess. From UL, you remove the padding. Apply the padding only for LI. Only for LI, apply the padding. In this, what we are going to see? We are going to see position sticky. Position sticky, what it will say? Before navigation, we have contact number. Before navigation, we are printing the contact number. Okay. What should happen is, if we scroll down, you can see menu is also getting hide. Menu will hide. See, once we scroll down, you can see before menu we have contact number. When it will go like this, it will go like this. As soon as the menu will touch the upper portion, menu will become a fixed. Menu will not go anywhere. Menu will be there only. That is called a position sticky. Come down first. So hope CSS we have written. If not looking proper, you can replace your CSS with my CSS. Only this much. Okay. Next we have when the mouse will go here, not mouse will go. First add to the come to the page, and after this you will write a paragraph. Put inside some bulk text. Put some more text. 4 line. It should cover more area. One paragraph. Keep one more paragraph. Keep one more. 3-4 paragraph. Okay. So that it should feel like there is more content inside the page. Add this paragraph 3-4 times. Okay, hope ready. Next, after that, you can see your page have much data now. When we scroll up, let me know till here we are ready. Have you added the content? Multiple paragraph, and this is the CSS. 3 CSS block, and this is the UL structure. Below you have list of paragraph. If it is working, please let me know. You can write the next CSS to guide you. No replied. Nothing. Very good. Okay, now I will share you the CSS code. This is the CSS code. And this is the UL to UL. Paragraph is your wish. You write anything, no problem. Now after that, it's working or not? Okay, so this is the requirement when we go to the page, when we scroll down. When we scroll down, navigation, as soon as it will touch the upper menu, upper portion of the page, it will get fixed. It will be there only and content will go inside. So we can go to the top nav where you have written. You can write from top 0px, then position will be fixed. Position will be sticky. STICKY. Position will be sticky. Okay, hope ready. So when you save the file and scroll up, as soon as the navigation will touch upper portion, it will become as a fixed. Is something like this. That is called position sticky. Position sticky. Many website will see navigation will be there, contact number will be there. Once you scroll down, what will happen? As soon as navigation will touch upper portion, it will become as a fixed navigation. That is called position sticky. Please check once happening or not. Hopefully no error. Now position fixed you have seen that day. One example we have created. Position fixed, what it was doing. Navigation. It is always fixed on the top. Position absolute you saw today. What was happening? All was starting from one place. Now this is called position as a sticky. Position as a sticky. So position sticky, what it will do? When the condition will happen, what condition? From top. If from top there will be 0 pixel gap, then position sticky will get applied. It will get fixed on the top. For body tag, you can write margin 0px. Margin 0px. The gap is coming. There will not be any gap from any side. Okay, go ahead then. We'll create the next file. Now gap is removed from all sides. If you go up, then it will become fixed once it will go up. So position as a sticky. Copy same example, paste in the next. Anyone error? There is no concept of error, no. Paragraph you copy paste many times. UL you have written here. Under UL what you have now? UL you have the top nav, and for top nav we wrote some CSS. That's all. Right. Copy the same example, paste in the next file. Give the file name. Any name you can give. I will write for navigation. Navigation.html. Navigation.html. So many paragraphs are there. If you want to get remove, keep one paragraph. It's a copy paste of previous file. File name is navigation.html. Hope ready? Go next now. So contact you have written is fine. After that, contact to replace by technology. Login replaced by service. Register replaced by branches. Inquiry related with technology, service, and branches. Now under the technology, you add a UL. First you can write here tech end. Tech end. Tech end. Follow the UL and keep inside the LI. HTML. Next LI CSS. Next LI strap. Next LI JavaScript. Similar way, under the service also write some complete technology. Let's reply in the chat, then I'll write the next. Wait for some time. 11:30 you have class. What time you have class? 11:30. 11. 11 or 11? Huh? 11:30 will start, no? I will give a nap. So hope technology is written. Service and branches. All three places we have to give the LI. Technology, go to the service also. Under the service, keep 3 LI under the UL. That is called marketing, SEO, employment. Marketing, SEO, and employment. Under the branches also, add some LI within the UL. Call Bangalore, Mumbai, then Delhi, then Kolkata. So service has some LI, branches also have some LI, inquiry is the last LI. Please follow that. Similar, something like this. Menu become a spread, no, everywhere. technology, service, branches, then inquiry. I can share UL to UL if anyone has problem. UL to UL is available in your chat. See now, under the technology, how many UL? 3 UL, sorry, 1 UL and this how many LI? What we will do is, under the technology, whichever the UL is there, we'll hide it by default. Under the technology, whichever the UL we have, we'll hide it. So UL will not come. Only technology will display. Once you move on mouse on technology, then this UL will enable. It will be visible. It will look like a menu and submenu. First, UL should be well organized. Okay, it should not be here, there. Well organize it first, then we can write the next. Now see, parent is the top nav. Inside there is a LI. Under the LI there is a UL. So what you want to hide? You want to hide those UL. If you will not hide, then it look like the rain. Navigation of the rain. So many menu are there. Okay. So we want to hide those LI, those UL that is under the LI, and LI should be under the top nav. Go here. As top nav space LI space UL. It is pointing to which UL? All the UL or only those UL that is under the top nav? Only those UL that is under the top nav. Display none. Display none. It will not display anywhere. It will be hidden there only. It's hidden now. As visible. Under the top nav, there is a UL. Inside the LI is under the UL. That is display none. So what is happening now? That is not showing. It is hidden somewhere. Yes. Display block if you do here. Display block means it will be visible. You can try. Put display block and see what is happening. Display block. Display block will be visible. Showing display block. Display block means visible. See, visible. Display in line means hidden. Sorry, display none means hidden. Now look at here. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript is the part of technology. So this is also coming in the same line or not? But we don't want in the same line. We want HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript should go to where? New line. Let's come. Let it be display block as of now. Right here one line. Has top nav space LI. LI. Inside there is a UL. Under the UL again there is the LI. There only HTML is sitting. Where HTML, CSS, Bootstrap is sitting. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap is sitting under the LI. LI is under the UL and UL is under the again LI. And LI is under where? Top nav. Now by default, what is the structure of the UL LI? Internal LI is coming in the same line. It's coming in the same line, no? Look at here. It is coming in the same line. Because of that, your page is broken. Now we want to send him to the new line. So what we will do? Display block. Display block. So what will happen now? It should lead to the new line. It should not come in the same line. Display block we have written, display block here also. See what is happening. Under the technology we have this one, under the service we have this one, under the branches we have this one. It is there, no? It's showing. But it should not come like this. That it should come down. It should not go up. So some more CSS will add, it will happen. Don't worry. So first check, is it coming in the same line or next line? Same line? Not same line. Now it is in the new line. All the submenus are under the new line. All the submenus are under the new line. Here, home, about us. Then which one? Technology. Under technology, what we have? This all. Under the service, we have this all. Under the branches, we have this all. Under the inquiry, we have this all. Now hide it first. Here you have written top nav of UL of LI. Display what? None. Display none. None. Display as a none. After that, come down below. Come down below. And right here, has under the top nav, there is a LI. LI colon hover. Hover. LI colon hover. Under the top nav, there is a LI. Under the top nav, there is a LI. Under the top nav, there is a LI. Under the LI, when you do the hover, then what should happen? Under the LI only, there is one UL. You can see here. Under the LI, there is a UL. What is the display by default? Display is none. Display is none, right? Display is none. Now at this place, display none will convert into display block. Display as a block. When your mouse will touch the top nav, under the top nav there is a LI. Under the LI, once you move the mouse, then there is a UL inside. Under the top nav there is a LI. Once you touch the LI, then after touching the LI, if there is a UL will become a display as a block. What is the by default UL? Display is none. Once you touch the LI, inside the LI, if there is a UL is there, it will become a display as a block. Display block. But we have to add one property. Let me see what is happening based on this. It is like this. Technology, okay, is happening, but we have to give position absolute. It's moving up, down. Okay, no problem. Right here, position absolute. ABSO absolute. Position absolute. Anything else is required? Anything else is not required. Remaining is color combination. Position is a absolute. Position absolute. I will verify once what is happening. Okay, no problem. It is coming. Hold on, it's coming. Okay, there is some other problem. Write this position absolute. You write it. Background we have, because background is also white and text is also white. Because of that, it's not visible. Look at here. You have written one place UL LI. This is display none. You have written no. See top nav LI UL none is there. Here only write background as a blue or background is a black. If background is a black, in black white will be visible. Background is a black. Background is a black. Let me see once. See, it's getting open. Service, branches. So we have to apply some more CSS so that it will come little down. It will not be touching very upper section. Something like this. In that might be you are confused somewhere, but nothing to worry. We'll create one more example, navigation. Navigation inside navigation, multi-level navigation. You will come to it. It's easy. See, it's a parent child we have to understand. The problem start from here. Where problem, the navigation, this 3-4 line of code has a magic. Top nav of UL of LI what? Display none. Under the UL, under the LI, whichever the UL is there, display none. and background we kept some color. Okay. Then after that, under the top nav, whichever the li under the ul and li there, display block. The benefit of this line is first understand the benefit of this line. When I went to the page, navigation is showing main menu, sub menu is not there. That is the benefit of this block. Which block? Top nav of ul of li. Now benefit of this is what? Benefit of this is what? When I move the mouse here, you can see HTML CSS is going to the new line. That is called display block. Means go to where? New line. You have written here. Where you have written? Display as a block. Which one? Under the top nav, there is a li under the ul, and there is a li. That li should be what? Display as a block. Means go to the new line as a submenu. Then when it will be visible? When this all will be visible? If the user will move the mouse on li, and under the li, if there is a ul, hover is what? Move the mouse. Under the ul, if there is a, under the li, if there is a ul, then what to do? Display block. Display none means hide. Display block means show. And position absolute means follow the parent. Position absolute means what? Follow the parent. Okay. So you will look like this. It's coming in the right hand side. We have to write some more CSS to make it more simple. Okay, let me share this 3 line of code. This 3-4 line of CSS is the main point. Upper one already was working. The bottom section I will share in the chat. This is the example of what we left yesterday. Yesterday at the end of the class we left something. Menu, submenu was there, no? That is the one. But we will apply some more CSS. Menu, submenu is working. Then we can make it more better. Some more CSS padding, margin, color combination, on, hover, border, shadow, and all will apply. It will look effective. Okay. Then we'll see you again. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow we have Saturday. Weekend classes are there. We will see on the Monday directly. Monday we will create example of menu, submenu, and after that we'll enter under the next CSS.
Sir, you said there will be a class on Sunday. That is Mr. Eid.
No Saturday, Sunday. Monday, next class on Monday.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday in the 3rd month or maybe in the 2nd month. According to needs. So as of now, you are not delayed. You are on time only. If it will be late, then we'll teach you on Saturday, Sunday also. But as of now, you are on time. Saturday, Sunday class in the